Stop it.
This is easily one of my favorite Thanksgiving appetizers, and it makes getting too full before the main meal worth it.
Okay, so for this recipe, we're using a few things. We're using crostini, which if you don't know, it's like the cute little toasts. You can buy these from the store or you can make your own. I will link the recipe below for you if you want to make your own. It's very simple. Then we are also going to use cranberry sauce. Now, I just did a video on this. Also very, very easy. I will link the recipe below for you if you want to make it yourself, or you can just buy it at the store or use your own recipe, whatever you want to do. Then we're using ricotta. We're whipping it up. Okay, very, very simple. Just get your favorite brand. We're gonna whip it up with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of herbs. If you want, you could do basil, parsley, whatever makes you happy, whatever floats your boat, okay? You can whip this up either with an immersion blender or in a food processor, whatever you wanna do. And then we're just using arugula, balsamic glaze. You could also use hot honey if you want. Choose your destiny, okay? These are your appetizers. But since I already made the crostini, we're gonna start by whipping this up. So let's do it. I forgot to mention, we are also using prosciutto for this. Just get your favorite one, okay? This is literally just the Trader Joe's brand, but get whichever one you normally use and you'll be good to go.
Just add the ricotta to a bowl along with some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs. I'm using parsley today, but basil is great too. Then blend it up for a couple of minutes or until it becomes light and beautiful, just like this. Now you're gonna pipe it onto your crostini. Next comes the cranberry sauce and then a little piece of prosciutto. Now, if you don't feel like being dramatic like me, just use a spoon to add the ricotta and it'll still be perfect. Absolutely nobody will care, and if they do, just kick them out or don't invite them next year. Now I'm adding my hot honey because of course I lost my balsamic glaze, and then I'm topping it with the arugula. I mean, look at how beautiful she is.
And there you go. It's literally so easy. Of course, there are some things that you got to put together. I do want you to notice I did use hot honey. I know I had mentioned balsamic before, but it's gone. I think I left it somewhere else. But anyways, it's so good. The sweetness of the cranberry, the saltiness of the prosciutto, I mean, stop it. It's incredible. And also, there's just so many elements that work so perfectly together, right? You got the crunchiness from the crostini, you got the softness from the whipped ricotta. I mean, it's so good. Look how beautiful. Ready? This is so good. Ooh, so there you go. If you want the full written recipe, that's in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Love you.